All right, Lady Mavericks, I got a real quick tip for you today. So quick, in fact, and so simple, you can't miss it. All righty? So, I've got right here a package of baby wipes, and right here is our windshield wipers. Most people, when they get these brand new, they just slap them on there, they forget them. Bad idea. All right? When you get brand new windshield wipers, immediately take a baby wipe and go over it, just like that. And then you'd be amazed what you pull off of there. And by doing this, it reconditions your windshield wiper so it'll last longer. Over here on this side of Project Lena, we've got one that didn't need replacing yet, but do the same exact thing to it and you get the same exact stuff off of it. When these come from the factory, or with time, a little bit of wear, by taking a simple thing like a baby wipe, you can recondition them, make them last longer, or clean them before your first time using them. There's your quick tip for the day.